Ooh, there. Yep. Well, this video's over.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we are going to take a fail and turn it into a success. So this is going to be a little bit different style video. My friend Justin is going to show his skills on the lathe. He's going to turn an acrylic and epoxy ring on his lathe, and we're going to show you step by step how to do that. Now, he did mess up, but I want you to see it later on in the video. So stick with it. We're going to take something that you would normally say is a mistake and you have to throw it away, but don't always do that. You know, there's always a way. Most of the time there's a way to fix a mistake, and in this video we're going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go from a fail to a success. Check it out.
We have this two-piece ring blank, making it from an acrylic blank. I've already cut the hole. I just gotta slowly bring it out to the right diameter. Made my own mandrel, ring mandrel, whatever you want to call it. This is from a broken handle off of a shovel. Literally took almost no time to make, and for as easy as it is to make, I don't honestly see the point in really ever buying one of those fancy ones. They want like, you know, $60, $100 for a mandrel, a ring mandrel. This will work just fine. So I made this in probably maybe 10 minutes, and I took no measurements. I mean, I just started tapering it down until this one right here got close, and I slowly worked on this piece here in the middle till it fit the ring. And then you just cut it right down the middle like that. So when you tighten it in like that, this spreads, keeps the ring on there. Super simple. So right now I'm trying to make the opening to the right size. I'm going to try to use sandpaper. If I get frustrated and it's taking too long, I'll probably just use an actual tool. And let's see here. I'd say it's not even close. So I'm going to take the little piece of 100 that I was using, and I'm just going to kind of go around this. You don't got to get crazy. You just want to rough up the surface a little bit. And again, I'm doing this inner race here, not the outside. I mean, this is going to probably get scratched up anyways. I'm going to polish it as I'm done, but I'm only hitting this inner piece here. I think that'll be fine. All right, let's try to do this without messing up my phone. I'm gonna hit this with the sander, I think, and make it smooth. I'm using JB Weld Clear Weld quick setting epoxy, 5-minute setting. You can use pretty much whatever else you want. You don't have to use this. This is just what I'm using. You can use Gorilla Glue, or many of the other ones. And I will get my very terrible mixer. Don't fall, phone. All right. So I cut these 2 blocks in case I had to do this. There's 1/2 of the ring. Let me get the other half before this stuff's cured. Up. Screw it. It's going in a little crooked. It's almost in. I didn't want to do it this way because I didn't want to scar this up, but looks like it's almost too tight. Ooh, there, yep. Well, this video's over. Womp. So, too tight. And now I have not only wasted this blank here, but because it's now glued together, I got the glue all over it. She ain't coming back apart. But you know what? Screw it. I'll do something else with that. I have a way of fixing that. Maybe I'll fill this little crack with some epoxy somehow. Maybe I'll use some tape or something. Give it some more character. Anyway, so that's a fail, but I'm gonna try to save it. So I've already started turning it. As you can see, right there is where the split. Right there is where the split was, and I filled it with CA glue. Like I said, I already turned this down some, just to see how it reacts, and I have a little void where the CA glue part was. So I just put some more, and I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm just going to have to add some cut, add some cut, add some cut, and hope it stays together. If it can stay together, then this is going to work out fine. If it doesn't stay together, well then, yeah, this was a waste of time. We'll see. All right, so I ended up taking it to the sander, and even up the sides. So now I'm going to start sanding on it. I'm going to start with 320 and work my way up to probably about 1,000, and then I'm going to break out the buffers, hit it with the buffer, and I'm going to work on the inside of the ring too. You probably use a Dremel for that to get the inside smooth and shiny and all that jazz. So yeah, but if it hadn't have been for this little piece here, well, not piece, but if it hadn't split here, cutting this wouldn't have been so nerve-wracking, and I could have cut this thing down way faster, but I was babying it because I didn't want to hit this, pop the CA glue out. I still have to probably add some more in there once it's all said and done. You can see there's voids in it, but I can fix that. We're gonna sand on it and polish it and get it done. So that was just the first round of polishing with the brown Tripoli. So use brown Tripoli on this coarse wheel, and I haven't really, still need some fine tuning there, but I mean, it's not terrible. I'm gonna get the inside with a Dremel and buff that up as well, but that's still holding. And the line you see is actually the joint on the ring. That's not like some weird cut in it or nothing like that. It's the joint line you can see on the inside. I don't know how I feel about that, but what can you do? So I'm gonna go on to the white diamond and put the next wheel on, and then she'll basically be done, minus the inside. And there you have it, nice and shinies. So we took the fail and turned it into, I would call it a success. Is it perfect? No. Obviously that guy right there makes it not perfect. But, like I said, saved it. It's a ring. It's a wearable ring.
It's a wearable wing.
Wearable ring. And honestly, nobody would even know about that anyways, really, if they got up really close. So I would say this fail is actually a success. So one thing left to do is, like I said, I'm probably use a Dremel to polish up the inside. But I don't know if I'm gonna record that or not, because it's kind of self-explanatory. But you can see my face in the reflection. There you go. So even if it doesn't work out, sometimes you can make it work out. Just it's all trial and error. Most everything can be saved somehow, some way. I don't know. There you go.
Guys, thanks for watching. I know this video was a little different than usual, but I know that but I wanted to show you this video because I thought there was a really good learning experience in this video. So thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, smash the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. Do me a favor, click one of these end screens so that you can move on to the next video. I think you can learn a lot from this channel. Alright guys, as always, thanks for hanging out with us.